Good morning, children. I am Srishti Singh and I am your social studies teacher. In the previous class, I was explaining the chapter Movements of the Earth. As I told you all that there are two types of movements. The first one is rotation and second one is revolution. So I already explained about the rotation of the earth. It means that spinning motion of the earth is called rotation of the earth. And rotation of the earth is responsible for the day and night on earth. So today what I'm going to tell you the other movement of the earth, that is revolution. So let me tell you what is a revolution. Every year you see various seasons on the earth. For example, summer, winter, spring, autumn. Okay, summer means very hot, winter means very cold, spring means the time when the new leaves started growing up on the trees, and autumn means when the leaves started falling off from the tree. Okay, so these are the seasons that you are facing, that you are seeing every year. Okay, so how these seasons keeps changing every year? It is because of the revolution of the earth. Revolution of the earth is responsible for the changes in season. That is why you can see different seasons on earth. So now I am going to explain you all the concept of revolution and how revolution is responsible for the changes in seasons on the earth. Okay, so I am sharing this picture in front of you. You can see this picture. Okay, this picture is showing the revolution of the earth. As you can see, earth is at picture number 1, and then at the second place, then at the third place, and then at fourth place. In this way it keeps revolving around the sun, and when it revolves around the sun, the seasons keeps on changing. Okay, so as you can see in picture number 1 is showing June, the month June. Okay, in this, north pole is tilted towards the sun. Okay, you can see this north in picture number 1, north pole is tilted towards the sun and south pole is tilted away from the sun. Okay, so it means that in northern hemisphere there will be summer, and in southern hemisphere there will be winter. Okay, it is because northern hemisphere is facing direct sunlight and southern hemisphere is not facing that proper sunlight. That is why there will be summer in northern hemisphere and there will be winters in southern hemisphere. Picture number 2 of earth showing the month September. Okay, in the month of September, the poles, that is the north pole and the south pole, both are at the equal distance from the sun. Okay, neither north pole is more tilted towards the sun nor south pole is more tilted towards the sun. North pole and the south pole both are equally facing the sunlight. Okay, that is why in the month of September there will be the season autumn in northern hemisphere and spring in southern hemisphere. Now see picture number 3. Picture number 3 showing the month December. Okay, it in this picture, north pole, as you can see, this north pole is tilted away from the sun. Okay, it is tilted away from the sun, and south pole, it is tilted towards the sun. So as south pole is tilted towards the sun, there will be summer in southern hemisphere because it will face more sunlight, and in northern hemisphere there will be winter at this time because it is not facing direct sunlight. Picture number 4 is showing the month March, and in the month of March also both the poles, that is north pole and south pole, are at equal distance from the sun. Okay, so in March there will be spring in northern hemisphere and there will be autumn in southern hemisphere. So this is all about the topic revolution of the earth around the sun, and it is responsible for the changes in season. This is all for today.